I'm Snari, and you are now tuned into me. So what we have today is I'm about to pierce my belly by myself. Homemade, baby girl. Kind of nervous. Yes, I am working out, baby girl. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. So I have these gloves on until I put on my piercing gloves, so I don't touch nothing. I'm about to show y'all what's in that kit, and we'll get started. I got it from Amazon. Okay, so like I said, I was going to show y'all what was in the kit. So it does come with a pair of clamps, the black gloves, those are called the piercing gloves, 2 14-gauge needles. It does not come with 4 needles. It comes with 4 alcohol wipes though, and then the belly piercing, and it is $8.99, so it is a good deal. Okay, nervous. Here go the belly piercing and the needles. It comes with 2 needles. Let's get started. Okay, let's open the black gloves first, and then we can do that. Alright, let's get into it. I always be nervous before I get a piercing, but I be fine. But it's like, since I'm piercing myself, I'm like really scared. Oof. All I'm doing here is measuring where I want my belly piercing to hang. My phone is on 10%. I'm not about to go back upstairs to get that charger, so let's hurry up and make this fast. I kid you not, the most painful part was them clamps. Like, they hurt the worst. Like, the needle was only hurting because of them clamps. I'm lying. The needle did hurt, but the clamp hurt just as bad. Man, I wish I could see my face. Like, I'm dead talking myself through this. And then I had got it through, and then I took it out because I was like, see, I'm not going to do this. But then I was like, girl, stop being a wimp. And I ended up doing it. So, I'm a G. Been that, still that. Will forever be that. Yes. See, I know y'all can't see me push that needle through, but look, I wasn't thinking about y'all at the moment because all I was thinking about was if I regret this immediately, and I did. Yeah. But I mean, at least I slowed it down so y'all could see when it go through a little bit. Okay. It wasn't like bad, but it was bad. Bruh, watching this back, editing this, oh my goodness. My hands is so shaky, like I could not.
It was at this moment that she knew she fucked up.
I was very much contemplating all my life decisions leading up to this moment and what possessed me to do this. But I mean, I'm glad I did it because I do not regret it now. Okay, so I got it in, and let me tell y'all, I overheated. Like, I was sweating so bad. Like, I was so nervous because like that thing was not messing with me, bro. Like, it took so much effort for me to do this, bro. Like, it didn't hurt like bad, but like the the anticipation of me doing that, it like hurt, but it wasn't like OD hurt. The belly piercing, like putting the thing in was kind of hard because like I have nails, but it's not like how the YouTubers make it seem. Hold on, let me show y'all. If I could pick up the dang needle. So this, my belly button piercing could not fit in this. I thought that it fit in this and I could just slide it through. No, you have to like line it up and just go. Let me show y'all. It's kind of slanted because, well, it's not that bad. Yes, this is how it looks. I like it. It looks good. So yeah, I cleaned it and I will update y'all as time progresses. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. You know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Tell your mom, dad, uncle, everybody. Tell everybody to subscribe if you want to see more content. Yes, I'm not that extra, so I wasn't really like, oh my god, like how them other people be like. No, I was just cussing in my head and like a little like low. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Okay, bye.